Alright guys, this is how I'm starting out the video. Not sure if you guys just saw that overtake in the corner. I had to literally pull off the road. You know, these are some of the driving experience in Jamaica. No regard for the road code, no regard for the, let me zoom up. So that was the robot taxi. They drive anyhow, overtake anywhere, and those are just some of the dangers on the road. But anyway, welcome to the channel guys. You know, it's Raymore Reviews. You know, it's Rush, the Discover Boss. Another driving video just showing you guys around Kingston, just showing you guys on the road. You know, most times you may not travel a route for a very long time, so at least the video can bring back some level of, you know, memory and some level of you just seeing an area you haven't seen in a while. So welcome back to another video. If you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. It's completely free. So if you see that red subscribe button, means you haven't subscribed as yet, so you can definitely go ahead and turn on your post notification bell so you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. We're trying to get to 6,000 subscribers, so your help is very much needed, and I'm sure you guys are seeing the type of driving, especially on MOLYNES road. It's one of the craziest roads to drive on because it's wide, and taxis, bike, and everybody literally turns it into a four-way. Sometime, 1 in a million times, you may have police on the road just to try and monitor, but most of the time, especially in peak hours, it's crazy driving. But again guys, thanks for the support. Thanks for your comments. I know persons are always commenting, liking the videos, sharing the videos, so continue to do that. That will help the channel to grow as well to the 6,000 and for new persons to see the videos. And if you want to donate to the channel in any way, we have PayPal and other options in terms of you donating to the channel. So as some persons may realize, we are on MOLYNES road, so we're heading into Halfway Tree. So it's really a drive from MOLYNES road to Halfway Tree. So stay tuned while we show you what's happening on MOLYNES road. About a minute ago we have passed the intersection of MOLYNES and Waltham. Alright, so let's drive into Halfway Tree from this end. There's a lot of persons, including myself, that is advocating for MOLYNES road to be the next main road renovation project or expansion, similar to what they did with Agley Park Road. We believe that MOLYNES road should be the next. The road is already wide enough, and you know, it will definitely help with the traffic and also some of the illegal overtaking that happens, because it's a very busy road. It's one of those main roads to bring it to central points in Kingston. So I think, and a lot of persons believe, that it should be the next main road project to turn it into 4 lanes right from right here in Halfway Tree, go back straight down to the Blvd, which is already a 4-lane. So I think that would be a great project. The other problem with MOLYNES road as well, not sure if any of you guys would have experienced it, is this stoplight, the Eastwood Park Road stoplight. It's like literally 10 seconds of green. So it gives you around 10 seconds of green from this side, and then the side that is traveling along Eastwood Park Road gets probably like a minute or more. So you can observe right now. So the red started about 10 seconds ago. You'll see how long we are on red, and the green from this side only lasts probably 10 seconds. So I'll let you guys see that as well. Leave your comment, leave your thoughts. I'm sure National Work Agency must have probably noticed this, because they have cameras at most intersections now. They also can change the length of their traffic signals from their control room. So it's a simple fix. And what this does, it causes a bottleneck traffic right here. It causes a traffic jam here no matter what day of the week. And I think one of the reasons is the length of the stoplight. So it's still on red from our side. So we have a, a seller right there. Alright, so green just started. I'm gonna tell you when the green change. I know I will probably go through on the green, but I'm gonna observe and let you know when the green has ended. So I'll use my rear view mirror. Alright, so the green just ended, guys. I'm not sure if anyone was checking, but that was the green. And then probably a minute and a half on the other side. So I think that really needs to be changed. So we're now in Alpha 3. And these are some of the newer bikes for the police, part of the traffic management. Alright, so the busy streets of Alpha 3 or Alpha 3, passing Clock Tower Plaza on the left. So this bicycle man not even looking. So this is the busy Alpha 3. Alright, so thank you guys for watching so far. Today is a bit overcast, so the video may be a little bit darker, but it looks like there may be rain a little later. I haven't done a rain drive in a while, but thank you guys for the support. Thank you guys for watching, and always stay tuned for more videos as well. So MOLYNES Road to Alpha 3, leave your comments, especially about MOLYNES turning into a 4-lane. Even in terms of the bad driving on the roads, that's something that we're all familiar with if you're driven in Jamaica. I know persons are watching from overseas as well. You guys can share your views. So leave a comment, guys. Like, subscribe, comment, and share. And I'll definitely see you on another video.